Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add loading template video on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna add a loading template video, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the box white plus icon in here. Click on it. And after this, you can click on the stock video at the top. Click on it, and in here you can swipe down until you can see a loading template video. This is the loading template video. You can choose the horizontal, or you can choose the vertical, or you can choose this one or this one. But in here I wanna add this one, so you just click on it, and after this you can click you can click add at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add loading template video on CapCut apps. But in here I wanna add the transition effect, so I wanna add maybe this one at a blur like this, and after this click check this one and finish. So that's how to add loading template video on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.